Hello guys, today we are going to see the difference between ICF coach models and LHV coach models. Let's go to the video. ICF stands for Integral Coach Factory. This type of coaches are called as conventional type coaches. These ICF coaches are used in mainline passenger service. The design of conventional coach is developed by our Integral Coach Factory, which is located in Chennai, with a collaboration of Swiss Car and Elevators Manufacture & Co. in Switzerland in the year of 1950s. The first ICF coach is flagged by our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, on 16th October 1955. This coach's wheel arrangement is a Bobo type arrangement as per the UIC classification. The wheel sets assembly consists of two pairs of wheels and axles. These wheels are manufactured at Rail Wheel Factory, Chapra, Bihar, or at Rail Wheel Factory of Indian Railways, based at Yelahanka, which is located in Karnataka, near to Bangalore. Sometimes imported wheels are also used. Two types of brake systems are using in these ICF coaches. They are ICF brake head and IGP brake head. A brake head is in a fabricated structure made up of steel plates welded together. Maximum speed of this type of coaches are 140 km per hour. Integral Coach Factory produce different classes of ICF coaches. They are first AC, second AC, third AC, sleeper class, chair cars and guard vans. Once upon a time, Rajdhani Livery is also produced by Integral Coach Factory, and it is one of the successful model that coach models which run up to 140 km per hour. But nowadays, those coaches were converted into LHV type coach models. And the last ever ICF coach were flagged off by senior technician of Integral Coach Factory, Sri Bhaskaran P, in the presence of Railway Board Chairman on 19th January 2018. Now let's see about LHV type coach models. LHV stands for Link Hoffman Boost. It is an upgraded coach model in India, and nowadays these types of passenger coaches are producing up. These LHV coaches are developed by Germany company, and most of LHV coaches are produced by Rail Coach Factory in Kapurthala, which is located in India. This type coaches are using since in the year of 2000. Initially, 24 air-conditioned LHV coaches are imported from Germany for use in the Shatabdi Express. During the year of 1993 to 1994, Indian Railways decided to look for passenger coach design which would be lighter and capable of higher speed compared to their existing racks. Indian Railways imported 24 coaches from Germany, and it is used in New Delhi Lucknow Shatabdi Express on a trial basis, but it did not turn out to be successful as the coach faced many problems like in couplers, windows and etc. The passenger feedback showed that air condition also not effective. Indian Railways withdrawn those 24 coaches after facing these problems. Days passed. After fixing that problems, Indian Railways reintroduced the type of LHP coaches on same train and proved their success. All these coaches are used in premium trains like Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi Express, Duronto Express and etc. And now these coaches are replacing the ICF coaches and used in mail and superfast trains. These coaches are designed for an operating speed of 160 km per hour, and this LHB coach type go up to 200 km per hour. However, they tested up to 180 km per hour. These LHB coach contains higher passenger capacity when it is compared to ICF coach models. LHB coaches are considered to be an anti-telescopic, which means they do not get turnover or flip in a case of collisions. It is an advantage of this coach. These LHB coaches are using disc brake systems. It makes fields more safer for passengers. These coaches produce more noise when compared to conventional coaches. Each LHB coach costs between 15 million rupee to 20 million rupees. A single generator car cost is about 30 million rupees. Those LHB coaches are playing important role in premium mail and superfast trains. This coach will continue their work for Indian Railways. Thanks for watching. For more videos about Indian Railways, subscribe the channel. If you like this video, click the like icon. If you have any doubts about Indian Railways, you can ask in comment section. And valuable suggestions are welcomed. Stay tuned for next update. Stay safe.